How's it going, guys? I have an exciting update if you have ordered a Brute or a Javelin. It's all about shipping. We've been shipping bikes for about 6 years now, and over the past 3 or 4 months shipping Javelin, we've had more headaches in that time period than pretty much all those years combined. Now, I'm not sure what this is a result of, but we've been having bikes delivered vertically, we've had them upside down, we've had holes punched in walls. It's been crazy, and our team is done with it. So we're excited to announce that we're partnering with Haulbikes to do freight delivery on all the bikes. That's right, your bike is going to be delivered 100% assembled by an individual who's been delivering bikes around the country for years. They're simply going to roll your bike off the back of the truck. They're going to say, "Have a nice day." No assembly required. How much is this going to cost? Well, to be very honest with you, it's an expensive service. However, Spark is going to incur the vast majority of that cost. In fact, all the Brutes that are on pre-order right now and all the ones that have not been sent out, they are going to ship by this option at no additional charge. So there's no more of getting Javelin in 3 boxes, and there's no more an hour or two to assemble it. I hope that helps. I know there's quite a few of you guys right now that are talking to us about shipping options, and we hope this is the answer you've been looking for.